This $10 part right here may have just destroyed this engine. So this Cub Cadet lawnmower has this cheap $10 oil drain valve, and look what happened. Look closely there. Completely loose. It has completely loosened up, and it is leaking oil all over the place. Shot oil over there onto the tire. It's all messy over here. Got up there. Got on the deck belt, all over the deck. There's oil pooling right here on the pulley. All because of these junky oil drain valves. They loosen up and then they leak. And in this case, look at that. Almost no oil left in the engine. Thankfully it still turns over, so I'm going to see if it's salvageable. But this is potentially a very expensive issue just from this cheap part. So if you don't want this to happen to you, go take this piece of junk off right now and replace it with a good oil drain, like a Drains It or a Briggs Stratton hose with an actual plug. This plug and this hose from Briggs Stratton. It goes on just like that, and then this little clip right here clips on right to the engine blower shroud, and that works well like that. And that's part number 796532 for the metal part and 594200 for the hose. Or you can use this right here. It's a Briggs Stratton hose with a plug at the end. Part number 504868-1SM. Or you can use this one right here. 1723165SM. There's even more options. You can get this Drains It 1438, and that will fit in there just like that. And that also has a plug at the end. So I really like these also. Or you can even do this method. This is a pipe with an adapter and a plug at the end. That's more of a homemade approach that also works well. Now all these that I just showed you are for a 3/8 inch thread, which is what the standard Briggs and Kohlers use. Now if you have a Kawasaki or just a completely different style, they may use a different thread. So make sure yours is 3/8 also. So whatever you do, avoid these. They come under Oregon, Stens, Cub Cadet. Many manufacturers use them. But stay away from these. The whole assembly will loosen up, and also the O-rings inside get baked by the hot oil, and then they'll leak that way. So it's all around a really bad design, and you can see here it can even potentially cost you a lot of money. So steer clear of this and go with one of these. Thanks for watching.